3.25 millimeters, consistent with the batch specifications.
Verified. The texture analysis confirms the cold rolling quality.
Automated systems move instantly.
टेंशन बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है। Machines hum softly as the steel moves forward. LED lighting guides the path.
Edges are perfectly aligned.
The shape is perfectly formed. The alignment is perfect.
Confirmed. Proceeding as planned. The weld is flawless. Surface is perfectly smooth.
Structure is fully stabilized.
Dimensions are perfectly accurate.
Look at the roundness measurement here. It's nearly perfect.
I see that. The calibration seems accurate.
Quality confirmed.
Length is exactly as specified. Check the alignment on the next batch.
Looks good from here. Tolerance is steady.
Ends are perfectly prepared.
Material properties are optimized.
Check the phase array on line 3. The reading is stable, well within tolerance. No internal defects detected.
Surface is perfectly prepared.
Protection layer meets all standards.
How prepared.
Branding and traceability confirmed.
Final inspection approved.
Inventory updated and ready.
Packaging complete and secured.
We need to reroute the Kazakhstan shipment through the Suez alternative.
Agreed. The current timeline shows a 2-day delay otherwise.
Adjusting priority for urgent dispatch 774. Confirm new timeline immediately. Dispatch schedule approved.
Load secured and ready to move. Convoy 7, route confirmed.
Gates clear. Proceed to waypoint.
Crane 4, you are clear to lower Juliet Charlie 7.
Roger that, lowering now.
Our steel moves the world.
The data shows a 5% increase in throughput for the seamless pipes.
Excellent. I will update the quarterly report immediately.
The data shows a 5% increase in throughput for the seamless pipes.
Excellent. I will update the quarterly report immediately.
As you can see, the milling certificates are stamped right here.
Looks good. The surface quality is excellent.
Delivery completed as promised.
If we look at the real-time data here, the variance is stabilizing.
Agreed. The predictive model suggests we maintain current levels for the next cycle.
The AI recommends adjusting the speed parameter. Let's implement that and monitor the quality index.
We don't just make steel, we use it. We keep improving it.